Hi there, and welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to check and download the Daily Occupancy Report in your PMS dashboard. Let's get started. First, log into your PMS account using your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Reports. From the Reports menu, choose Front Office. On this page, switch to the Rooms tab. Then, click on Daily Occupancy Report. Here, you'll see the daily occupancy details. You can also change the date range to view reports for a specific day. To download the report, just click the download icon or button on the screen. And that's it. You've successfully viewed and downloaded the daily occupancy report. If you have any questions or face any issues, feel free to contact our support team. We're here to help. Don't forget to check the video description below for more helpful guides and resources. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.